Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. This time we're demonstrating a Pioneer combination 4 8-track player. This will play both stereo and quad tapes. This comes from Ron, I believe it is. I forgot where he was. I don't have his file with me, but we'll just take my word for that. This is from Ron. Okay, let's try stereo tape first. Got some Neil Sedaka here, and we got some lighting challenges, obviously. Should we have all four speakers working? Okay, we're at the end of a song there. Alrighty, now we're going to try a quad tape, and you'll see this quad indicator light up. And of course, quad tapes only have 2 programs, so after program 2, it'll jump back to 1. Most of your players skip over 3 and 4 in rapid fire session. This one does too. Okay, see our quad indicator lighting up there. Look at the speaker outputs. And you can see that each speaker is playing something different. And at times, nothing at all comes out of some channels. That's the whole idea behind quad. Okay, now that we have that figured out, you'll notice this thing goes, it skips over 3 and 4 and goes back to 1. Okay, and there's it. And we have all 4 speakers on quad function and on stereo function. We got the quad indicator lighting up when you put a quad tape in. We have no quad indicator when you put a stereo tape in. We got 4 channels with a stereo tape. So everything's working properly, and she's ready to go back. And this is definitely my last job of the day. This is the 4th video I've done on a Sunday, which is normally my day of rest in a stupor. But I just one more. Just want to get one more done, boy. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, and if you would like to receive my service, please visit the website below and print out a work order. That is the first step towards contacting me. You don't call me until you've been to my website and printed out a work order. Otherwise, you're going to tie me up on the phone with 20 minutes of questions that I just cannot afford to spend because it takes me off the bench where the quality workmanship happens. So, thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Ron, for your business, and we'll see you guys next time.